Hello, everyone. My name is Alia, and these are the top stories for today. Make sure you watch the entire video and share it as well. The Weeknd, BTS, and Billie Eilish will take part in Global Citizen Live, a 24-hour event on September 25th that is intended to raise money and awareness to fight worldwide threats, including COVID 19, climate change, and extreme poverty. Hugh Evans, CEO of Global Citizen, is hoping the event, timed to the United Nations General Assembly, will encourage governments, corporations, and philanthropists to fund a billion COVID 19 vaccine doses by September, especially in Africa. The international advocacy group also hopes to raise $6 billion for famine relief efforts for the 41 million people worldwide who are estimated to be on the brink of starvation, as well as enough money to plant a billion trees to help counter climate change. For anyone who questions whether these institutions will manage to generate more money to donate, Evans points to the current space race. As billionaires are leaping into space, we need to remind people that we really only got one planet. And we need to make sure that we actually care for it and for those who are on it. Evans told the Associated Press. This is something the ultra high net worth community can solve the world's problems right now. Honestly, Jeff Bezos could write that check tomorrow and it would be a percentage point in his total net worth. I'm all for people daring to dream, and may they dream even bigger. But let's also dream about a world where the absolutely stupid social ills that currently still exist in the world are addressed by those who have the means to do so. It was raining in different areas of the metropolis, receiving light or heavy rainfall while drizzling at some places, according to the reports. Karachi's areas of defense, II Chandragarh Road, and adjacent areas, Sadr, Clifton, Bath Island, Gulshan Iqbal, Orangi Town, and Landi areas being lashed by downpour. PMD had in a weather report earlier forecasted rain, wind, or thunderstorm with a few moderate to heavy falls in all districts of Lower Sindh till Friday and Central and Upper Sindh till Saturday. Moist monsoon currents from North Arabian Sea continue to penetrate into Lower Sindh according to the weather report. Persistent rain may create waterlogging in low-lying areas of Karachi, Hyderabad, Badin, Thatta, Sakkar, Larkana, Dadu, and Nawabshah districts of Sindh during the period the Met Office warned. Current district administrations were advised to take necessary steps to avoid urban flooding in these areas. Earlier, rainfall that started in Karachi on early morning Monday lashed several parts of the port city. Hyderabad, Thatta, Sangher, Tigri, Sojawal, Mirpur, Tando Muhammad Khan, and Tharparkar also received rain with heavy falls at some places. The rainfall submerged low-lying areas while causing power outages at several places after the power feeders tripped. The Sindh government on Wednesday decided to reimpose coronavirus restrictions, with indoor dining and schools set to close again due to a resurgence in COVID 19 cases in the province. The decision was taken in a meeting of the Provincial Task Force on Coronavirus, presided over by Sindh Chief Minister Murad Ali Shah. The ban on indoor dining would begin from tomorrow, July 15th at night. As for schools, classes for grades 8 and below would be suspended from Saturday, while examinations will be held as per schedule for grades 9 and above. The closures that start from July 15th include the indoor dinings, cinemas, and also applies to public transportation, which shall operate with a 50% occupancy. Closures from July 16th include indoor gyms and indoor sports activities, amusement parks, theme parks, water parks, and swimming pools. Closures from July 17 include schools from grades 1 to 8. Thank you for watching the news. Please listen and share with others. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.